is Deshaun Rip Loud Johnson. Yeah. Hey YouTube, it's Deshaun Rip Loud Johnson. Yeah. And today, what I'm going to do is a little something special. I'm going to show you the true definition and meaning of time under tension. Now, with time under tension, it's exactly what it means. I know, when I first heard time under tension, I was like, okay, let's get it. Yeah, I need to be here like 2 hours, 7 hours, right? 8 hours, my whole life up in here, getting it, killing it. No, it just means how many seconds within the 30 minutes to an hour of working out can you maintain the momentum, right, of your workout session. So with that said, let's get to it. Here, before your very virtual eyes, I have 10-pound dumbbells. Yeah. All right. So, starting with the 10-pound dumbbells, you want to come up over here with the lateral raise. And then you're just going to come down. Slow, slow, slow. Make sure your arms are expanded. I have to correct myself sometimes, a lot of times, most of the time. And as you're coming down, you just want to feel what's happening as the dumbbell come down when you're doing lateral delts, right? This is time under tension. T-U-T. I call it king tut because we're all kings. And women, beautiful queens, right? You don't want to come all the way down. It's not completely to my side, and I'm gonna come back up. Now you got two options when coming up. You can just come up and start over, or you can come up the same way you went down. That way you feel emotion all the way through, right? Okay, I'm short, so it don't take much. Feel sorry for y'all with the long hands. Anyway, or long arms, rather. I'm coming down. So I would say intervals of 25, max 70 seconds, depending on the exercise. Me, I like to keep it in between 25 seconds and 30, 40 seconds. Sometimes it depends, maybe longer. It just depends. Depends on your strength. Depends on what you can handle, right? See, as I come down, I can feel it. It's just tight, right? I can feel it all the way through. Stop here, and I'm coming back up. I'm coming back down, coming back down. And believe me, when doing it, just with these very 10-pound dumbbell weights, oh, you feel it. It's burning right now, y'all. It's burning. But this is the secret to success, to building your delts. I mean, unless you want the juice, right? But even then, you still need some resistance. Yeah. All right. One more. I can feel the burn, y'all. I'm feeling it. Come on down. Feel free to do it with me or just watch the video and enjoy yourself. It's completely up to you. Oh, but I know this shit is burning though. Woo. This is time under tension. Woo. forward with the anterior deltoid, which is here, where the top of my weight is pointing, right? So the anterior deltoid raise, coming up, then I'm coming down. Slow, 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 slow. And just relax. If you can, try to breathe in and out. If you can't, just breathe slowly and you'll be fine. All right. Am I feeling it? Hell yes. I am feeling it very much so. But it has to be done because you want that core. You know, you want that foundation. And a lot of people like to get big quick, and as soon as you get off of whatever you're taking, you're wondering why you're not keeping your gains. Well, there's two reasons. One, you're probably not working out to your full potential. You probably don't have your muscles, under tension for too long. You probably haven't been working out that long. You haven't tightened the tendons, right?